Hello, in this video, I will explain list sample programs. First, try on your own. If you not get the answer, then look into this explanation list program video. So all these 25 programs is there. See, all these 25 programs, explanation and logic has been explained in this video. Okay, if you practice all this and if you finishing watching this and you practicing these 25 videos, there are some more 14 sample exercise has given. This exercise, this 14. So solutions are given for this 14 exercise, but there is no explanation logic. So you have to try on your own this 14 one. But after finishing these 25 exercises, you will get that you will easily practice the list videos. Okay. So this video has some part of theory is there, like list in Python. Lists are the most commonly used data structure. This is one type of a collection. It is what is list means is list a type of sequence data used to store the collection of data of different data types. Okay. List can store different data types collection data. They are versatile and can store collection of items which can be of different data types. Lists are defined by enclosing a comma separated sequence within square brackets. Okay, if there is square brackets, it's taken as list. Lists are immutable. Lists are order. Okay, mutable means lists are changeable and are lists are in order. So there is no much explanation video about the list because this is only practical video, practice videos. If you know the theory part, you can practice here. Okay, first we will see the first program, write a Python program to sum all items in a list. Okay, write a Python program to sum all items in a list. Sum items, okay. So example, taken first example, take list, okay. List elements, okay. Any elements you take it. Okay, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. Remember, list can store any data types, not only integer, list can type strings or booleans, okay. Any data type, list can store it, okay. And list is equal 1, 2, 3, 5. Take some variable and initialize to 0, okay. And length of the this length of the list using length function you can do in or method length equal you can get the length here and repeat loop, okay, for I in range n, for I in range n sum is equal to not range n, no need of range n here because if you want to access list element no need of length, sorry for this one. If you want to access a list element, simply you can go here, simply you can loop here, okay, for I in list, okay. So you can access individual elements, okay. Individual elements stored in, if you want you can check it, print I here, okay. Print I, print I, and sum is equal to sum plus I, okay. And print I here, okay. Sorry, print sum. If you want to sum of elements, the elements, comma, okay. Remove this print here list here, okay. That's it. Simple program. It is not a big program. If you know, if you are confident on for loops and if loops, so you can easily do, okay. Sum of these elements, okay. I'm doing the sum of these elements, okay. First you have to take any list here and initialize some variable to 0. If you want to iterate through each list elements, you have to use for loop here for I in list so that you can iterate through individual elements, and each element you can add it with some variable and you can print here, okay. Observe that. See, sum of elements is 5 here. So sum is equal 1 I given, sum is equal I here, okay. See 15 here, okay. Not only this, you can take any list here. You can take the list from the keyboard also. See some of the 15 here, okay.